Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today, in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated Mother's Day handmade card decoration ideas. These are some extravagant, beautifully decorative, handmade productive idea for this Mother's Day to create these sort of beautiful ideas to enhance your creative and unique skills that no one else can have. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated handmade Mother's Day gift card ideas that you can create these sort of handmade Mother's Day cards, combining it with some other handmade bouquets or gift arrangements you want to gift to your mother on this Mother's Day. You can create these sort of beautifully decorative ideas that people will love to create to express their love for their parents. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these beautifully decorated ideas that people will love to create these sort of arrangements on this Mother's Day by creating these sort of beautiful handmade cards, creating from different hard charts or soft charts. You can create beautiful floral patterns onto it, or some handwritings can be used by using different painting techniques. You can create different unique and beautiful ideas. Viewers, these ideas can be created to make your Mother's Day more special by investing your time in these ideas, or make your mother feel more special on this Mother's Day by expressing your love to create these sort of ideas. And your mother's favorite theme craft can be inserted into these cards to make her feel more special. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it and work on all your requests. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like these ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring latest ideas for you. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.